Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Skylar with Western Material Handling. Today we are here excited to test drive stock number D21305, smooth running 2017 Hyster H60FT. It's a 6,000 pound pneumatic tire forklift. This guy's going to give us a quick demonstration. This unit has solid pneumatic tires. Run them through glass, nails, whatever, you'll never get a flat. Has a full suspension seat, LED light package, has a 189-inch triple stage mast. He's going to take it up for us. As you can see, very tall up in the sunny Colorado sky. This unit does have side shift and fork positioner, very nice added feature. It's 42-inch pallet forks. Has a smooth running LP gas engine, automatic transmission, recent repairs, new PM service, and a brand new paint job. You can check out this forklift online at abetterforklift.com or stop by either store in Commerce City, Fort Collins, or Torrington, Wyoming. We appreciate you very much for watching. Thank you.